In this video, we are going to show you how to get 10% off on everything on Wegic AI. Wegic AI is an AI-powered website builder that allows users to create, customize, and manage professional websites simply by chatting in natural language. They are going to have the H2 Side Hustle kickoff event where you can get 10% off on everything. So if you are interested in that, click on the link we have provided in the description below. It's going to bring us to this page right here, and you need to create a new account and log in. And once you do that, there is an option on the upper right corner that says build your site. Click that, will bring us to your dashboard. And on the upper right corner again, click on upgrade to bring us to the plans page. Choose which one you want to subscribe to, and then select it and choose how long you're going to be subscribed to. And then go click on continue to checkout, which will be brought to the checkout page. Once we are here, you can click on add promotion code and type in hustle10, click apply, and the 10% discount will be added, and you just need to go through the standard checkout process, whether using your credit card or your Google Pay account, and you will be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.